Cooling tower systems are widely used to provide cooling in industrial and commercial applications, including building HVAC, cold storage, and industrial cooling. The key components of a cooling system are the cooling tower, recirculating pump, and heat exchanger. Cooled water from the basin is pumped through a heat exchanger. The cooling water picks up heat, and its temperature increases. Warm water is distributed over the top of the tower, where air moves past the warm water, evaporating a portion of the water, cooling the remaining water. Repeating the loop, where cooled water from the basin is pumped through a heat exchanger, and so forth. As the basin water level drops, fresh makeup water is added. Evaporated water leaves behind dissolved impurities from the makeup water, which concentrate and cause scale, deposits, and corrosion. Concentrated impurities in the tower are removed through blowing down tower water to the drain. The basin water level drops due to these evaporation and blowdown losses, and more makeup water is added to maintain level. Open recirculating cooling towers save tremendous amounts of energy and reduce greenhouse gas emissions compared to air-cooled systems. Challenges include water conservation, corrosion, scale, deposits, microbiological activity. Professional water treatment minimizes these challenges.